Welcome to our video guide on how to quickly start an LLC in Virginia for free and to obtain an Employer Identification Number (EIN) for your LLC. Starting an LLC in Virginia can have numerous benefits for business owners. Limited liability companies (LLCs) are popular business structures for entrepreneurs and small business owners due to their flexibility, simplicity, and tax benefits. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC in Virginia. Then, as a bonus, later in the video, I will show you a trustworthy registered agent who will help set up your LLC for free and save you time and hassle. So make sure to stick with me until the end. Let's dive right in. Virginia is a great place to start an LLC because of a high early survival rate, especially for small businesses. There are three main ways you can start an LLC in Virginia. You can do it yourself, hire professional service, or hire an attorney. In today's video, I will show you how to DIY your LLC registration. Step 1. Name your business. Before anything else, you must think of the LLC's legal business name. Each LLC in Virginia must have distinct LLC name that is not currently in use. LLC names must also include one of the following: limited liability company, limited company, LLC, or LC. LLC names cannot contain the words corporation, inc., corp, or any words, characters, or abbreviations that will imply that you are a different business entity other than an LLC. Knowing if your business name is taken or not is very easy. Just go to Google and type in the words Virginia State Corporation Commission Entity Search and click on the first result. It will lead you to a landing page of business entity records in Virginia where you can then type in the name of your business and check its availability. Next, and this is very important, go to www.namechecker.com. This tool will help you check if your business name has a domain name available and other social media pages and platforms. You don't want to register an LLC name that someone is already using online. That will limit your marketing and online sales opportunities. You think that naming a company would be easy, but if you really have to put more thought into it. Now, once you're sure that your LLC name is available, you can go ahead and secure your business name. The Secretary of State can also reserve the LLC's trade name. Before filing for a period of 120 days, you can make the name reservation for only $10, which is non-refundable. Once your business name is reserved, no other entity can use it during the 120 days. Step 2. Get a registered agent. LCC in Virginia are required to have a registered agent who will serve as a primary point of contact for anything that has to do with your business. Although it is possible to register your own name or the name of friends and family as an agent, I highly recommend getting a professional. The registered agent will be receiving and managing tax warnings, subpoenas, and other critical legal papers on your behalf. While you may have trusted friends and family members who are willing to help out, a professional registered agent has the training needed to sort out potential issues and protect your company at all costs. Your registered agent also needs to be available during business hours and should have an actual physical address, not a P.O. box. While you might be tempted to use your own home address as the registered location, it's going to be part of a public record and might not be a wise move to expose your personal address. In this case, I recommend you use services like Anytime Mailbox. They will provide you with a physical business address, scan your mail, and even forward it to your home. It's a very useful service at a very low cost. Step 3. Filing the Virginia LLC Certificate of Formation. The next step is to download the Certificate of Formation with the Virginia Secretary of State online, fill it out, and mail it to their office to officially incorporate a domestic Virginia limited liability company. The Virginia state filing cost for an LLC online, in person, or by mail is $100. Typically, your Certificate of Formation includes cover with name, address, and telephone number, your company name and address, your registered agent's details, names of the LLC management and members at the time of the registration, and addresses of managers and members of the LLC. Mail filings usually take around 2 weeks to get approved, which is why I suggest you file online, because it only takes 2 to 3 business days for approval. The state of Virginia does offer next-day processing for both online and mail filings on the condition that the Secretary of State receives your forms on or before 1 p.m. at Eastern Standard Time for an additional fee of $100. They also offer the same-day expedited processing, provided you submit your forms and other requirements by 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, for an additional of $200. Step 4. Prepare an operating agreement. Virginia doesn't require LLCs to have an operating agreement. However, it is best practice to have one in place, especially if there are other members deciding for the business. An operating agreement outlines every critical process that needs to be followed, especially regarding big picture issues. These issues may include allocation of earnings and losses in case of companies is solved, decision-making process and voting rights, transfer of membership, interest, profits, and losses, and any other concerns that impacts the business overall. And if you find this information useful for your business, feel free to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content like this. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. Getting an employer identification number or an EIN comes next. An EIN is a federal tax ID used by the IRS and is used to identify your firm on tax filings. This is also the identifier used when you pay your business privilege tax, open a bank account, or apply for permits and licenses. I know most processes where the IRS is involved can get tricky and confusing. Filling out this complicated forms also takes longer to complete than the previous steps. This makes having a registered agent who can handle all of this for you even more beneficial. In the end, the trustworthy registered agent who will help set up your LLC for free and save you time and money. You don't need to worry about most of those steps if you have someone like Zen Business take care of the setup process for you. Which means you do not have to do any of the previous steps. 1 to 5 Zen Business offers a one-of-kind deal at absolutely no charge for the first year. Zen Business will prepare and handle your state filings and help you check whether the business name you want is available or not. You only have to pay the state filing fees of $100. Going the DIY route means that you will have to pay the $100 in fees anyway. So why not free up your time to work on your actual business and let Zen Business take care of what they do best? This is it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.